Welcome to RoboNation TV, your online source for investigating the latest, most innovative trends in robotic technology. Follow along each episode as we explore the relationship between the science we're learning today and the innovations we'll create in the future. Let's meet our team. Dr. Zaz Brooks, expert in human-robot communications. Christine Daly, a mechanical engineer specializing in unmanned systems and vehicle research. Dr. Amy Elliott, a research scientist specializing in 3D printing. And me, Paul Kottman, your resident techie. Next, we'll take a look at one of the top companies giving physical form to some innovative ideas. Located just outside of Washington, D.C., AnthroTronix is a cutting-edge R&D facility specializing in robotic prototyping.
Christine recently took a trip to the AnthroTronix offices where she got a first-hand look at some of the amazing work they do in advanced interface technology, from lab research to field experiments in tough fields like biomedicine and military navigation. And while she was there, she got a chance to interview not one, not two, but 3 members from this award-winning team. Let's check it out.
Today I'm visiting with AnthroTronix, an award-winning research and development company that specializes in bringing new and innovative ideas all the way from concept to finished prototype design. As a team, this group of creative visionaries, designers, engineers, and scientists is responsible for producing many breakthrough products that are revolutionizing the way we think about health, education, and defense. Let's go meet the team and check out what they're working on.
AnthroTronix is a company that focuses on the interaction between humans and machines. The common theme to all our projects is human augmentation. How do we enhance a person's capabilities? Whether giving them additional sensory information, whether it's interpreting information for them, or whether it's helping them act on information.
We go from designing a concept all the way to the drawings for it, and then the software for it, and then the electronics for it, and then actually building it and putting it together and testing it. And then we can do a full study and show if it really works or not.
We have one project where we're using our instrumented glove to capture hand movements of a surgeon to help them with skill acquisition or skill retention when they're doing surgery.
This is what we use to kind of test your surgical skills. So do you think you want to scrub in for surgery?
Yes, please!
All right. So you have to...
What do we got here?
You have to pick up these triangles with one gripper.
Okay.
Transfer it to the other gripper in midair, and then put it on one of the pegs. So using the gloves, we use those to track the movements of the surgeon's hands as they're doing this. Using that, we took that and created a tablet version of this where you use the gloves to control pretty much virtual graspers and pick up virtual triangles.
We're doing another project where we're using the same glove for firefighters, for example, to control a robot to go in and look at the integrity of a building.
So here we have our glove technology controlling a ground robot, and what happens is when I move my hand, I can control the robot and drive it around with just my fingers and my hand movements. I can drive the motors directly like this, or the glove also detects gestures, so I could give the robot like a freeze gesture, and that would go to the robot and give it a command.
What sensors are you using in that glove to convey the messages to the robot?
So right now, in each finger is a 3-axis accelerometer, a 3-axis compass, and a 3-axis gyroscope.
Okay.
So there's one of those in each finger, and then there's 2 of those on the back of the hand, and so those are 9 axis each.
Okay.
And then one on the sleeve and one on the back of the hand, 2 in the thumb. There's still a lot of work worldwide to do in human technology interaction, and in human-robot interaction specifically. There's a lot, and I think we can bring a lot of our capabilities into the future to help people interact with technologies like robotics.
That was an amazing day. I feel like I learned so much, and it was really fun to get an inside look at some of these inspiring projects. I hope you all at home enjoyed the behind-the-scenes tour as much as I did.